Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got our first update for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 from Samsung for One UI 6.0. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get. Okay, so I've got the Z Fold 5 here, and it looks like we've got the latest update, first update for January 2024. This is a software update that has device stability improvements, bug fixes, newer enhanced features, and further improvements to performance. If we scroll down here, we can see it's One UI 6.0. Version is ending in BWL7, and it's 397.89 megabytes and has the security patch for January 1st, 2024. So I'm going to go ahead and download this, and once we get back, we'll go ahead and install it and take a look. Okay, so we just went ahead and installed the update. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we get with the new update. First thing we'll go ahead and do is we'll take a look at the gallery. I always like to look and see if there's been any updates. So the gallery previously was on version 15.0.00.46. So let's see if we have an update here. It looks like the version is the same, so there's no change to the gallery. Let's go ahead and check Samsung Health. Previously, Samsung Health was at 6.260063, and it looks like there is no change there. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at the My Files application. So My Files previously was at 15.00067. and it looks like there's no change there. This is 15.0.0067. Let's go ahead, take a look at camera, see if there's been any changes to our camera application. And the camera was previously at 14.0.0046, and there's no change to camera. Let's go ahead and take a look at the One UI Home. The Home was at 15.0.05.5, and it looks like no change there. The last thing we'll take a look at is the Galaxy Store and see if there's been a change there. There's currently 4.5.67.6, and looks like no update there. So it looks like all of the applications stayed the same. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the update includes. So we'll go ahead and go to settings, and we're going to scroll all the way down to About Phone. Then we're going to go ahead and select the software information. We're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to click on the Android security patch level. That's going to go ahead and open up the Android security bulletin. We'll scroll down here, click read, and we'll select the Samsung. And so this is going to show us all of the security updates, including Google and Samsung for January 2024. So if we take a look here, we can see that there was one critical patch. There's quite a bit of high-level patches. This is all Google, a few moderate. And then this is the patch that was included in the previous update, and some not applicable to Samsung devices. If we scroll down here, we can see this is specifically to Samsung, and there was 5 Samsung vulnerabilities and exposures. So this first one's talking about improper access control in the notification service. So that was fixed. Improper access control in Samsung DeX. So it looks like there was a vulnerability in Samsung DeX. This one is path traversal vulnerability in My Files. So that has been resolved. and path traversal vulnerability in my file. So it looks like there was 2 there. There's another one here for improper authentication vulnerability in Bluetooth pairing process. And it looks like that is it. So it looks like that's what the update brings. Once again, it does give us the January 1st security patch. To install this, if you're not sure, you just go ahead and go to settings. You'll go to software update, select download and install, and then it will go out and look for the software update. If that's available, then you'll go ahead and download and install that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the Samsung Galaxy Store and see if we have any updates for the applications. Anytime you do an update, you always want to go into the Galaxy Store, go to menu, and then updates. And it looks like we've got a few updates here. So we've got Samsung Cloud, Samsung text-to-speech. It looks like there is an update to the Home Up application for GoodLock. It says this is fixed favorite max count bug for tablet models, added Japanese language, and the issue are only fixed when the latest One UI 5.0.05.5 or later is installed. So this was an issue where it couldn't auto update, so that should be fixed. So we'll go ahead and update all of these. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell notification so you get updated when new videos get uploaded, and appreciate you watching.